Hello Sushi Lovers family, Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this sushi recipe video I am gonna show you how to make perfect California roll sushi. California sushi roll is one of the very popular and famous sushi rolls in US and Europe, mostly in fusion sushi. In Japan it's called Makizushi. One of the very famous sushi chef Hidekazu Tojo moved from Japan to Canada, Vancouver. He invented that kinds of sushi rolls because in there people don't like raw fish and the smell of the seaweed, so he started to make the non-traditional ingredients like avocado and cucumber and the crab sticks. It's a cooked crab sticks. Okay, so he made the inside out sushi rolls. That means the seaweed will be inside and the rice will be outside. Also we can call it's uramaki. In Japan it's called the makizushi. Okay, let's go. Firstly, I'll cut the cucumber for sushi rolls. Okay, I'll cut the 5 finger. Then after I'll start to make the katsuramaki, so I can cut the cucumber for the sushi waff. Okay. Also, if you don't know how to cut the katsuramaki, you can start like this. You can cut like this. Okay. But I want to cut the katsuramaki. Let's see. Originally, it's called tojomaki. He named when he invented and he put the name tojomaki. But after that, he changed to California because California is the very famous name with visitors came from Los Angeles. Now I'm gonna open the avocado. Lots of people are curious about how to open avocado for sushi rolls. It's very easy, you know. I'll show you. You can cut like this and roll avocado with your knife like this. And also you can twist like this. Now if you want to take this ball, put here and it came out. I'll cut half. Yeah, I can make like this. That is the crab sticks, and I cut in the middle so it will be easy to put in the sushi rolls. So the filling of the sushi rolls will equal quantity. Okay, I'm gonna put here in the plates. I already prepared the ingredients. Here is the cucumber I cut, and this is the julienne cucumber, and the crab sticks and avocado. Now I'm gonna place the sushi rice on the nori seaweed, and I'm gonna make the very perfect California sushi rolls. Okay, I have here the nori seaweed. It's called, some people call it the alga and some people call seaweed, and in Japan it's called nori. These also have the two sides, shiny side, that is the shiny side, and that is the lining and rough side. Always we have to place the sushi rice on the rough side. If you make the whole seaweed nori, it's called futomaki, and for the California sushi roll it will use just half. I'll break down from the middle. Okay, let's see here. Yes, I'm gonna use these ones. Now I'm gonna place the sushi rice on the rough side. I have here sushi rice. Normally I love to use 100 gram sushi rice for the uramaki California sushi rolls. For makizushi, I'll put in the middle, then I'll separate like this, you know, like this, and I'll use thumb and second finger to place upstairs and up downstairs. Okay, like this, and the second finger will help the put the rice in downside. If you have more rice, no need to be afraid. You can take out and you can put in your container. Yes, I placed the sushi rice, and now I'm gonna use the mixed sesame seeds. It's a toasted sesame seeds, because the avocado will give you creamy flavor and the cucumber will give you freshness, and the toasted sesame seeds will give you the extra level of the crunchiness. Okay, also you can use just white sesame seeds. I'm gonna flip it. I put a little bit more rice here rather than the nori because it will be easy to closing time. If you are making first time in sushi rolls, it will be easy for you if you are a beginner and if you want to make the sushi at your home. Now I'm gonna place the ingredients. Firstly, I'll put the cucumber. Now I'm gonna place the crab sticks, that is the delicious tumar. Now I will place the avocado. Okay, it's in Japan, it's delicious tumar crab stick, also called, we can call also kanikama. Yeah? Now I'm gonna roll it. For the sushi rolling techniques, always leave one finger here in the bamboo mat, so it will be easy to roll it. You can take out the bamboo mat in your thumb finger and second finger and secure all the ingredients by your 3 fingers like this, and your bamboo tip will go here. You can see, yes, the bamboo tip here. And you can, if you want to a little bit more tight sushi roll, don't make too much press because the sushi roll will be a chewy. You can press little bit more. Now you can start to roll it again. Yes, I'm doing very slowly because I want to show you. And take out. And you can press here to make equal sides. Yes, my California sushi roll is ready. One of my viewers named Kyra, Kyra, is saying, when I cut the sushi rolls, it's always the nori is ruined and it's like sticky. She's saying it's literally hard to cut sushi roll. That's why I want to show you how to cut sushi roll also. Okay, let's see. Firstly, always make your knife wet with towel, paper or towel, with towel, so it will easy, so your rice can't stick in your knife. I have here water. I'm making the wet. I'll cut in the middle. I want to make in the 8 pieces, so I will cut in the middle like this. And here is the rice. You can see here, I want to wash this ones. Yeah, I want to clean. And I'll cut. If you can cut also in the middle and middle and middle, so it will be 8 pieces, but I love to cut randomly. Let's see. Yeah, like this. So always secure the knife between 2 fingers, so it cannot move. Your knife cannot move, and it will easy to cut sushi rolls. You can cut like 1 times like this, or if you want, you can do like 2-3 times. 1, 2, 3. So your nori will cut properly and your sushi roll will cut properly. You can see here, it's good. Is it? Okay, now I'm gonna do the plating also. We can do plating like this. We can put like this also. We can put like this. Also, I will show you another way also, okay? You want to see? Let's go. Also, you can put like this way. Okay, I also put here ginger pickles. If you want a little bit of spiciness, you can put the wasabi paste also, and you can eat like this. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.